Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use copy stamp node in Houdini. Take a geometry node from geometry tab and go inside the geometry node and delete the file node. Now take a sphere node from primitives and a grid. For scale up the grid, I take a transform node. Connect the transform to grid and scaling up. Now take a copy stamp node. Connect the two inputs of copy stamp node. Please convert the sphere from primitive to polygon. From here, primitive to polygon. Now take a transform node to uniformly scale the sphere. And go to the copy stamp node and here to the stamps tab on the stamp input and give a variable name. For the variable I give a value, that is RAND, first bracket open, dollar, capital P, capital T, and enter. Now go to the transform node. In the uniform scale parameter, right click, go to the expression and toggle expression. Now give here a expression, that is STMP, stamp, first bracket open, double inverted, copy the object path, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and double inverted close. Now again double inverted open, give the name you have given in the copy stamp node, double inverted close, and giving a floating point and enter. Now you can see the result. For scaling up, go to the transform node in the script and plus 0.3. For better output, I take a mountain node after the grid. Now you can render this. Here is the output.